For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Nurse B, and my channel is all about nursing, lifestyle, and all things. For this video, I am going to be installing this unit from Westkiss. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Quick intermission. Today I will be using Yanni's Edge Care. Using this edge control for a while now, and I do like the edge control. I love the fact that it not only holds your edges and keeps them intact, but it also moisturizes your edges. This is revitalizing, and it revitalizes and nurtures your edges, and it gives you that strong and long hold for a very long time. And the best part about this, there is no buildup. So if you are looking for an edge control that not only moisturize and lasts a long time, look no further. Don't say I did not put you on, because I did. Don't say I didn't put you on. We are installing this 24-inch. This is a closure. It's a 6x6 closure, HD. It is HD. I already cut the blade. So this is the construction of the wig. Like I told you, I wore this wig already. It is a 6x6. You do have 2 combs on the side, on each side, and you have your your adjustable rubber bands in the back. If you So this is just with water. Look at how the curls are coming alive. This is just with water. I basically added water throughout my hair. I got it wet. Be using to make sure we get that wet look to last us all day. We will be using. So we are using the Cantu coconut curling cream. This is going to just, you know, not revive our curls and bring them to life, but like give this hair, like take this hair to the next level. Like when I tell you, it smells so good. So you're just gonna basically, I'm generous with it. I know some people probably, I am generous with this. And right now I'm just using my hands in section by section. You want to make sure when you're detangling, you detangle the back of your hair too. Sometimes we neglect the back of our hair. We just focus on just the top where people are going to see, but it's important, especially with curly hair, to really get into the back and make sure that you get rid of any knots. You are done using your Cantu coconut curling cream to basically define the curls. As you can see, here I do have some product in on the top of my hair Don't worry, it's not gonna stay like this. Next, I am going to follow up, and I am going to go in with my Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse. This is going to seal everything together, and when I tell you this does the job, it does the job. So you're just going to take some mousse, and you're just going to do the same thing that you did for the prior steps, and you're really just using the mousse to seal everything in. Hair from Westkiss. This video is not sponsored. All opinions are my own opinions. Overall, this is a really good hair. When I say I was able to execute this hairstyle in under 15 minutes, which is doable, especially when you're on vacation, you are on the go. So this is a very friendly vacation go-to hair. The best, because it lasts all day, and I did not use any glue. I didn't even have to add any baby hairs. I just kept it simple. All you need is your 3 products. Here, you need your curling cream. You also need your Wave Whip curling foam. And you have your bedhead spray. You can use Gossipy, bedhead, whatever holding spray you want to use. And you need your brush and some water. So this closure is very versatile because you have a lot of parting space. So there's a lot to work with, which I do appreciate. The one thing that at first I was kind of iffy on when I first received the hair was the fact that I noticed that the lace closure was a little bit shorter from the rest of the hair. So that was the only thing that I was kind of like, I don't know. But once I was able to work with the hair and I was able to style the hair, you can't tell the difference. You really can't. And I think too, it gives them more of a layered look after a while once you start playing with the hair, manipulating it a little. So it worked out. Like I mentioned before, there is shedding. The hair does shed because you're manipulating the hair. You're gonna anticipate shedding. You can't think like, oh, I'm not gonna get, it's gonna be shedding. Just like if it was your real hair, when you're brushing your hair, you're combing your hair, you get shedding, you know. It's fine, you know. It wasn't like a ridiculous amount of shedding. It was a light shedding. The shedding was very light, and I didn't feel like I'm getting any bald spot from the wig from the shedding. I did not. Let's talk about customer service. Customer service was easy. I remember when I purchased the hair, I received the email within like an hour, maybe less than an hour. I received an email just verifying my address, and once I confirmed this is the address, they literally sent me a tracking number in less than an hour or so, and my package came within, I want to say my package came within 5 days. 5 days. It wasn't like a full step. I know they say like 3 to 7 business days, but it literally came in 5 days. So I will say that they're very efficient with both responding to emails and also getting your package out, which I do appreciate. The hair is for me personally, I do feel like the hair is very long, and I do like the quality and the density of the hair, because with curly hair can be tricky, because curly hair can be a little tricky because sometimes you get a lot of knotting, and in this hair I did not. You do get knotting, but that's anticipated with all curly hair. But I think if you are able to really take your time and detangle it with your fingers and not a brush or a comb, you kind of protect the hair, because then you're able to get the knots out with your fingers and you're not just like being so rough. So I do recommend, using your hands to, using your fingers to finger comb, get the knots out, and then from there start adding your products. And also remember, when you are using, any brushes or comb, remember to brush from the bottom and work your way up. You want to take care of the wig just like it's your own natural hair. And I would say the price point of the hair is cost effective. It's not too expensive, because I'm about saving money, because these wigs can be expensive. They can be expensive, but I will say the wig is pretty affordable. And also This is my 5th time wearing this. This is my 5th time wearing this hair, so obviously I do like the hair, you know, and I'm not just saying that just to say that. I do like the hair. I've gotten numerous compliments every time I wear this hair, because this hair, look at it. This hair is just giving. So comment down below and let me know, have you guys ever ordered from Westkiss? And if you did, what hair did you get? Did you get the lace? Did you get this closure like me, the curly closure, or did you do a frontal? You know, comment down below, let me know what is your favorite type of hair from Westkiss, and maybe I can review that for you guys in the future. Until next time, it's Girl Nurse Beat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, it's your Girl Nurse Beat. Bye.